My name's Jola Sung, Education Advisor from Affinity Education. And here I have, what are your names?
Hayden
And
Willow.
Willow from our Senior Kindy class at Early Learning Centre Smithfield. We are going to demonstrate how we make paint, which is one of our lifelong learning at home program activities. So what do we have here, Hayden and Willow? Do you remember what these are called? What's this?
Salt.
Salt and
Flour.
flour. What about this?
Water.
Water and
Food coloring in.
that's right, they are called food colouring. And who knows what these are called?
Don't know. Frying pans.
These are called measuring cups. You say measuring cups?
Measuring cup.
Measuring cups. This is a half cup of measuring cup, and this is called the quarter cup. Which one is bigger?
Yeah.
This one is bigger, that's right. Which one's the smaller one, Willow? That's right, that's the smaller one, that's the quarter cup, because 1/4 is smaller than a half, isn't it? You know that from cutting your toast at home. Yeah. I might get Hayden to help me go first. Can you pour the salt inside this cup for me and then stop when it gets to the top? Love how carefully you're pouring it, Hayden. What do you use salt for at home?
Coffee.
You use salt for your coffee?
Yes.
I think that might be sugar. Can you pour the salt inside the bowl for me, please? There we go. Can you say 1/4 cup of salt?
Salt.
That's right. Okay, now Willow, can you please pour the flour into that half cup for me?
Yes.
Yes, you might have to use 2 hands to make sure it doesn't fall away. There we go, good pouring. Thank you. Give it a gentle tap. Is there any more stuck?
No.
One of the teaching strategies we use commonly in early childhood education is narrating, which is describing what the child is doing as they are doing it. This is a part of the Abecedarian teaching strategy, which has been proven to be very beneficial in enhancing children's language by providing them the vocabulary. We'll keep mixing. I love how you're using your hands very gently.
I love this. I love this so much. It's so yummy.
Being very careful. Ooh. There we go.
Yeah.
Mix it, mix it. Thank you. Now for you. How many drops are we doing, Hayden?
One.
Just 1. Ready? There we go. Beautiful squeezing, Hayden. Wow. What can you see?
Red.
Is it quite thick?
Yeah.
Draw a big circle.
Then can I use the white?
This learning experience not only provides opportunities for children to develop their sensory skills to explore the different textures, it also supports the children to engage with language and early mathematical concepts such as measuring, comparing quantities and counting. Bye!